Blood pressure is the force exerted by circulating blood against the walls of the arteries as the heart pumps it through the body. It is typically measured in millimeters of mercury, mmHg, and recorded with two numbers, systolic and diastolic. Systolic pressure, the pressure in the arteries when the heart beats, contracts, and pumps blood. Diastolic pressure, the pressure in the arteries when the heart is at rest between beats. For example, a reading of 128th of a millimeter of mercury means the systolic pressure is 120 millimeters of mercury, and the diastolic pressure is 80 millimeters of mercury. Blood pressure categories. 1. Normal, less than 128th of a millimeter of mercury. 2. Elevated, systolic pressure between 120 to 129 millimeters of mercury and diastolic pressure less than 80 millimeters of mercury. 3. Hypertension stage 1, systolic pressure between 130 to 139 millimeters of mercury or diastolic pressure between 80 to 89 millimeters of mercury. 4. Hypertension stage 2, systolic pressure of 140 millimeters of mercury or higher, or diastolic pressure of 90 millimeters of mercury or higher. 5. Hypertensive crisis, systolic pressure higher than 180 millimeters of mercury and or diastolic pressure higher than 120 millimeters of mercury, which requires immediate medical attention. Factors affecting blood pressure. 1. Heart function, the amount of blood the heart pumps per minute. 2. Blood vessel resistance, the narrowing or widening of arteries can increase or decrease resistance, affecting pressure. 3. Blood volume, the total amount of blood in the circulatory system. 4. Kidneys, regulate blood pressure by controlling fluid balance and releasing certain hormones. 5. Hormones, such as adrenaline and aldosterone, which can raise blood pressure. High blood pressure, hypertension. Hypertension is when blood pressure is consistently too high. It can damage blood vessels, increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, kidney failure, and other serious health problems. Common causes include stress, obesity, poor diet, especially high salt intake, lack of physical activity, excessive alcohol, smoking, and genetics. Low blood pressure, hypotension. Hypotension occurs when blood pressure is abnormally low, which can cause dizziness, fainting, and shock in extreme cases. It can result from dehydration, blood loss, infection, certain medications, or heart problems. Managing blood pressure. 1. Lifestyle changes, healthy diet, low in salt, regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, limiting alcohol, and quitting smoking. 2. Medications, antihypertensive drugs, like ACE inhibitors, beta blockers, diuretics, are often prescribed to manage high blood pressure. 3. Regular monitoring. Keeping track of your blood pressure with regular checkups can help detect changes early and prevent complications. In summary, blood pressure is a vital indicator of heart and vascular health, and maintaining it within a normal range is important for overall well-being.